So I haven't really like been doing videos on this channel recently, which I'm actually sorry for, but that's mainly because I didn't really have like anything which I really wanted to do on this channel, and on this channel I kind of just want to upload videos when I have like a cool idea or I don't know, something which I just want to do. So anyways, today what I've been thinking about recently, I'm sorry if my camera is kind of shaking, but yeah, my hands are shaky. Recently I've been doing burritos for myself. I've been living in this apartment for quite a while now, and I got a gas stove, which I was terrified of first. And recently I actually did find my way to get into cooking stuff. And yeah, today I'm gonna make burritos, if you can actually call it like that. It actually doesn't have to do anything with burritos, besides from the bread which I'm using and some of the things which I'm gonna put into them. Yeah, this is gonna be a catastrophe. Catastrophe? Do you even say it like that? I don't know. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna do it. Let's just go to the kitchen. So, my apartment still isn't really quite done. There's gonna be an actual apartment tour for my kitchen. Yeah, my kitchen looks like shit right now. So, we got the wraps for the tortilla, which I'm gonna go for right now. We got the stove. Oh my god. And yeah, I'm gonna be preparing this stuff right now. Give me a second. Also, dude, check out my fridge. The fridge is looking insane right now. Dude, I fucking got the eggs and the Coke and the butter and the other stuff. So yeah, wait, I want to prepare. So what I will be using today, I'm gonna get those tomatoes. I'm gonna get the paprika, and I'm gonna use that. And then I got some spices right here, which are hella dark enough, but there are spices, and I'm gonna use one of them. Yeah, this is like an all-rounder for like vegetables. I'm gonna use that one. Let's get the pan out. Hell yeah, dude. Okay, the pan. Then what I need definitely is the fucking oil. The oil is very important because we're gonna pour some heavy oil in there. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna rip apart the paprika and I'm gonna cut the tomatoes, gonna put it in there. Give me a second, I'm gonna do that. So basically this whole pan right now is consisting out of paprika and tomatoes. Normally you could use like, I don't know, some sort of like chicken. I could use eggs, but I don't know, I kind of don't want to use eggs. What do I have? I have milk, I have sauce, which this sauce is, wait, I might use like this sauce or this sauce. I don't really know. I'm just gonna use chocolate. I'm gonna use Oreos. Okay, so we got that. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take the, like this, this is hard to, okay, wait. It is opened. Oh my god, this is smelling good. This is basically like a pre-made seasoning for like vegetables, and I'm gonna pull that shit all over that a lot. Yes, sir. Okay, so we got that. So this burrito which I'm making basically consists out of those things, but trust me, it is hella good. So now to the main thing. I'm gonna put oil now over it, and I just realized this shit is not open. Fucking hell. Now that it's opened, I can pour some oil over it. I got like classic olive oil. And to make like a burrito like me, you gotta pour like a lot of oil. Like oil it's just so good. It gotta swim in there. Like that's just so good. Dude, recently I bought like oil the first time, and like I bought it and it was empty after like 4 days, and yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so with that, we got everything prepared. We got the bread right here. We're gonna get to that later in a bit. I am gonna bring that over here. Oh my god, it's so, wait. Oh god, that's loud. Okay, it's so dark right here. Why is it so dark? Okay, it's fine. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put on the gas stove. With this gas stove, it's kind of weird. I have to put on the fire to activate it, and then yeah, we're gonna get to that. Oh fuck. Okay, come on, please. Does this work? Oh my god, it works. Hello. Okay, so I don't know, can you see that? No, you can't. Shit. Okay, nice. We got it. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna put that on there. Just like that. Dude, it's so dark, man. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now you can see it. So I got the pan and the thingy is on here now. It's looking greasy as fuck, but that's good. We like that, we like that. It's taking a bit usually to heat that shit up. So we got a lot of oil and paprika and tomatoes, which are now gonna be fizzling around. So we got the wraps, and now what I'm doing is I'm gonna do something really silly. You're never gonna expect this when I'm kind of doing a burrito, but oh shit. We're gonna take a wrap and shit. Come on. Let me. Hell yeah, there we go. Nice. Oh shit, it's already fizzing around. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this like that. Nice, just like that. We want that. And now we're gonna pay attention to our main thing and swap it around in there. You might be asking like, I don't know, dude, why do you use so much oil? Dude, oil is for the taste, man. Oil does all the taste. You gotta drip that shit in oil. And yeah, we're gonna do that a bit and just wait. Dude, also, what do you think about my kitchen? Do you think it's empty? Do you think like I should put something in here? Because like people have been saying I should put like, I don't know, like something in here, but I think it looks good. Like I might, I don't know. As I've said, I'm gonna do an apartment tour, but like my living room is not quite done yet. So yeah, I don't know. Like you also gotta consider when I'm making this, the oil is also kind of like the sauce, you know? If I would make a normal burrito, at this point, that would drip through the burrito. You would like have like a wet food. But I'm putting it in there, so it can't like drip through. You're just eating it from the boil, and then you're putting everything together. Right now, I think I'm happy with the thing. I'm gonna turn this shit off. And what I'm gonna do now is something really silly, something you really didn't expect. Let's get that close. And now we're gonna put that in there. Nice. Damn, shit is dripping. Okay. Nice. So now, we got that right here. It's looking hella good. So now what I'm gonna do, you're never gonna expect that. I'm gonna go to my fridge and gonna put some sour cream over that. Oh god, let me fucking get this spoon. Okay, nice. We're gonna drip it all over there. Looking hella good. Dinner is ready. I know you guys are creaming yourself right now. I know you're like very sad that you're not currently having this. Oh yeah, dude. One thing which I forgot to say. Most of the time I usually put like a extra bread over that. And then like push it down there. Yeah, just like that. So now I am at my desk again. And now we're gonna be eating that. Dude, I think I've just burned my whole mouth. So yeah, that was, I think a lot of people are gonna hate me for this video, which is understandable. Not everyone is supposed to like you in their life. I'm planning on doing more on this channel again. I basically just go for like anything which I feel like doing. With that being said, hope you have a good day. Thank you for watching. And yeah, peace out.